Hi, and welcome to Craft Along with Jay. Today we'll make one quick St. Patrick's Day craft. You'll need a small terracotta pot, a cauldron, a rectangular wood plank, a little tiny branch from my yard, and some moss, floral foam, and some embellishments. And everything you can find at the Dollar Tree, except for the terracotta pot. I think I got that from Michael's. And then I'm just kind of figuring out the placement, cut out some floral foam, and hot gluing it into the terracotta pot. And then clean up all those little wood strands. I mean, glue strands. And then I'm just kind of figuring out the placement of my little branch and with the cauldron hanging from it. And then just put a little bit of hot glue down into the floral foam and put the stick back in. This is to keep it in place. And then I play around with the placement a little bit more. And then I'll hot glue the terracotta pot to the wood plank as well. Yep, just like that. And then I start gluing the gold coins from the cauldron. And I just keep adding, and it's going to look like it's spilling down. It's being poured out all the way down to the wood plank. And you kind of glue them in however you want them to kind of pour out. Give you a little bit of better angle, you can see what I'm doing. And sometimes you may have to add a little bit of extra hot glue because it's not going to be an even fit all the way down. So you may have to add a little bit so they kind of stick to each other better. And then before I make it all the way down, I decided to go ahead and use some Mod Podge all over the wood plank. And then I'm going to take some from each bag of the moss. This is Spanish moss and reindeer moss. And I kind of mix it up and kind of pull it apart. And then I'll add that onto the Mod Podge. Just kind of pull it apart. It's easier to kind of maneuver around when you glue it down. And there we go. And now we can add more gold coins. And once you get close to the bottom, you got to start adding some on top of the moss because that's kind of what's going to fall down. And then we'll all get connected. I hope that all makes sense. Sometimes it's easier to just do it than it is to try and explain it. again. That's why I start adding some to the moss because I'm getting close to the point where I need to connect it. And I do end up using a whole pack of gold coins from the Dollar Tree. And there we go. Oh yeah, I've forgotten to add some moss into my little terracotta pot to cover up the floral foam. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I got these um, shamrock necklaces, and I just start cutting out the little shamrocks from the green necklace. I'm not sure how many, I just cut out a bunch. And then I just kind of randomly start gluing them on wherever I see fit, what makes me happy. And the bigger shamrocks that's on the stick, I'm ending up not using those. They were a little bit too big. It didn't look right. So just the small ones from the necklace. I just add them randomly into the between the gold coins, and I add some to the little branch stick as well. And there we go. I think that turned out really cute. What do you all think? Please leave me a comment down in the comment box. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really liked this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.